Hi viewers, welcome to my channel Meenakshi Teacher Innovative Ideas. Today we are discussing about Module 10 Pedagogy of Social Studies, Portfolio 10. If you like this video, please like, share and please don't forget to subscribe. For this portfolio, we should choose any concept from history or geography or civics or politics and create an activity to achieve learning outcomes. So, for this, we should consider these given points: subject, grade or class, lesson, topic, learning outcomes, keywords, planning for learning assessment. By this, we can get the responses from the children, which are questioning, explanation of concepts, applying the theme to the real life, explanation of own innovative ideas. By following these steps, we can write the activity successfully. Then, let's go to the Portfolio 10. For this Portfolio 10 Pedagogy of Social Studies, I chose the subject Social Studies, class 5th, topic Rivers Livelihood. Learning outcomes that the children have to be achieved are: first one is conceptual understanding. In this concept, children have to know uses of rivers, how are the fishermen affected by the floods, the flourishment of civilization along the riverside, uses of Godavari river, how the people depend on the rivers for their living. Second concept is questioning and hypothesis. In this concept, children will question us what would be the reasons for rivers drying up. Third one is experiments and field observation. For this, children will go to the fields and observe the location or the field, visiting of a river or a canal or a lake near their place. Fourth one is information skills projects. People collect information from the any area or and they prepare project, visiting of any industrial area or a temple near the rivers Krishna or Godavari, and get information and write about it and display with figures. Fifth concept is communication through mapping skills, drawing pictures and making models. Children point out the districts which are to the south of the river Godavari and north of the river Godavari. And sixth one is appreciation, values and creating awareness towards biodiversity. For this, writing of a letter to their friend appreciating the impact of the rivers. Then keywords are important points of the topic. Knowing of the river Godavari, finding out the sources of the river Godavari, the origin of the river Godavari. The river is the source of livelihood for the fishermen. The specialty of the Godavari districts, especially pulasa fish. About water transport, Godavari river between Papikondalu, dams, crops, scenic beauty of Konasima, rivers, civilization, Triambakeswara temple in Maharashtra, Bhadrachalam temple on the bank of Godavari river, industries, pollution, drought, floods and the consequences. These are keywords to learn the children by the teacher. And we should check previous knowledge of the children. Previous knowledge. Children might have seen many rivers and enjoyed taking bath in the river water. Moreover, if it is summer, one never wants to come out of the water. After that, next point is planning for learning assessment. observation of the given picture before starting the lesson, observation of previous knowledge, explanation about the river Godavari, finding out the sources of Godavari, the origin of Godavari, fishermen, the uses of Godavari, the specialty of the Godavari district's pulasa fish, explanation of water transport, the construction of dams on rivers, scenic beauty of Konasima, river civilization, temples at river banks, industries, pollution, discussion, droughts, floods and the consequences, discussion, question and answer according to the lesson and correction. Homework. These are planning for learning assessment. How do we get the learning outcomes and how to prepare to learn the children like this. Then next point is response of the children. Children respond by questioning, where does the Godavari start from, and name the district through which it flows. Why do the tourists get attracted to travel on the river? How does the fish pulasa very special? These questions are posed by children, and this is the response of the children. And this is also explanation of concept by the children. Children can explain the impact the rivers on civilization, agriculture, etc. Children can ask questions on rivers. Children can identify the river flowing through different regions on the map of our state. Children can explain the significance of the river Godavari. Children can collect information and talk about the industries and temples on the banks of the river. Then applying the theme to the real life. Children can apply the theme of the concept to their real life. Let's see how can they apply. Visiting a river or a canal or a lake near to their place. Observation of the various activities being polluting the water. Explanation about the ill effects of those activities. This type of theme or this type of observations apply to their real life. And explanation of own innovative ideas. Children can explain their innovative ideas. Collecting the lyrics or a song related either to the Godavari or any other river and sing it. Writing of slogans on controlling the river pollution. Writing of a letter to his or her friend appreciating the impact of the rivers. In this way, we can prepare the portfolio 10 of a social studies pedagogy. Thank you very much. Please subscribe.